This problem states how many moles are in 78.55 grams of copper. So what we need to say is what is our given value and what are we looking to convert to? We are given that we have 78.55 grams of copper. 78.55 grams of copper. What are we looking to convert this to? We are looking to convert this to moles of copper. What relationship do we use in order to convert grams to moles? What we will be using is molar mass, okay? Molar mass is needed. Where do we find the molar mass of copper? To find the molar mass of copper, we're going to go to the periodic table. So let's take a look at our periodic table. Okay. So here on the periodic table, we're going to look for copper. Copper here has a molar mass of 63.546. So the atomic mass is the molar mass of an element. So it's just going to be a different unit. So we talked about atomic mass or the formula mass in terms of AMU, atomic mass unit. But now when we're considering it in terms of molar mass, in order to relate mass to the mole, now this is going to be in units of grams per mole. So we're going to use the atomic mass, but write the units as grams per 1 mole. So 63.546 grams per mole will be what we will write down. So let me write this down. 63.546, I think I just said, grams per mole. Okay. So when we say grams per mole, what this is telling us is that there is 63.546 grams of copper per 1 mole of copper. So if we are starting with 78.55 grams of copper, we're looking to convert it to moles. Can we use this conversion factor as is, or will we need to flip it? As it is right now, there's moles on the bottom. With moles on the bottom, that doesn't allow us to cancel grams. So we will need to flip this conversion factor and put the molar mass 63.546 grams of copper on the bottom and 1 mole of copper on top to cancel units of grams diagonally. So now, once you have your units set up and canceled properly, now we can use our calculator. So what we see is that we're starting with 78.55 divide by 63.546. When you do this math, you're going to get a chain of numbers, but how many digits are you going to round to? Look at the least number of significant figures. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures in this value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figures in this value. Least number of significant figures is 4. So this is 4 sig figs. This is 5 sig figs. So we're going to round our final answer to 4 significant figures. And what I'm seeing in my calculator will be 1.236 moles of copper.